Hi there, this is a quick demo on downloading and unzipping the data that you need for the lab exercises. I'm on the assignment page for Lab 1, and this is where you would have gotten the instructions. There's a hyperlink for the data packages on each lab assignment page as well. So you just want to left click this. Now, the reason to demonstrate this, it's a little bit tricky because depending on what kind of software you're using and what kind of zipping software you have, it's going to be different. The browser too, whether it's Chrome or Firefox or Internet Explorer. This one's Chrome. I've got 7-zip on my computer, and so this is technically, well, usually how it works in lab as well. Here's the whole moral of the story. You need to click on and download the data and wait for it to download to your computer. It's going to be zipped. ArcMap can't see zipped folders, so you have to get it properly extracted or you won't be able to see any of the data in ArcMap. What you want to do is get yourself to a place where you can see the Z on the folder. And so there's two ways to do that. Number one, you can just left click on this thing. It opens it up in the 7-zip interface, but there's no Z here. You need to get to this thing. So you have to go up. It's kind of showing you inside. I don't know what this is. It's weird. But you need to get yourself to where there's a Z here. That's, I think, the safest way. Sometimes it works to just go ahead and hit extract, but I always go up one layer until I can actually see the Z on the folder and then hit the extract button. If there were multiple folders in here that are zipped, and sometimes that happens, by not going up to this Z, you're going to miss one of those. So I make it a habit to go up till I can see the actual zipped folder and then do my extract. It's going to open this window for you, and you need to use this browse button, especially in the computer labs upstairs, because Wes wipes those every night. So everything that gets dropped onto the C drive into your downloads folder or desktop or wherever you have it go, that's going to get basically erased every night. So make sure you're bringing an external hard drive. Use the browse button and then browse to the location. I want to put mine on my external hard drive. Just single click to highlight it and hit OK. And then you can just verify it's going onto my hard drive here. And then you'd hit OK to extract, and that should do the trick. The other way to do this is to not, I'm going to just download it one more time, is to use this drop down arrow. What happens there, I'm going to pause this for 1 second. What happens in the drop down arrow is you can tell it to show the containing folder, and that way you end up with, you're just staring right at the zipped folder. You're not using the 7-zip kind of interface. If you right click on this guy now, you can go to 7-zip and extract files. So it opens the exact same thing. I kind of like this way better because I like knowing where it went. I can see that I'm in my downloads. Everything's, you know, kind of less confusing or more transparent or whatever you want to say. But yeah, so same thing here. Make sure you get it off the C drive, browse to your external drive, and go ahead and hit OK to extract. And that ought to do it. If you have questions, let me know. Thanks.